Welcome to BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about who is Business Intelligence Analyst and key skills of Business Intelligence Analyst. Who is Business Intelligence Analyst? A Business Intelligence Analyst is a professional who is responsible for gathering and analyzing large amounts of data within a company or organization. They use various software and tools to extract insights and trends from data, and then use these insights to make informed decisions that can improve the performance of the organization. A business intelligence by analyst is a professional who plays a crucial role in helping organizations make informed business decisions. These decisions are typically based on data analysis and interpretation. Here are some key aspects of the role. Some of the key responsibilities of Business Intelligence Analyst. 1. Data analysis. 2. Reporting. 3. Data visualization. 4. Querying databases. 5. Business understanding. 6. Forecasting and predictive analysis. 7. Communication skills. 8. Continuous learning. 1. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining and interpreting data in order to extract meaningful insights and information. It involves a variety of techniques and methods, including statistical analysis, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization tools. The goal of data analysis is to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within the data, and to use this information to inform decision-making and solve complex problems. Effective data analysis requires a solid understanding of the data being analyzed, as well as the tools and techniques used to analyze it. In addition, it requires a careful and systematic approach to ensure that the analysis is accurate, thorough, and unbiased. Data analysts must also be skilled communicators, able to present their findings in a clear and compelling way to stakeholders and decision-makers. In today's data-driven world, data analysis is a critical skill for professionals in a wide range of fields, from business and finance to healthcare and government. It is essential for making informed decisions, identifying opportunities for growth and improvement, and staying ahead of the competition. Whether you are an experienced data analyst or just starting out, there are many resources and tools available to help you develop your skills and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the field. Business intelligence analysts gather and analyze business data to identify trends, create reports, and develop insights. They work with large sets of data, often using specialized tools and technologies. 2. Reporting. They create reports and dashboards to present their findings and insights to decision-makers within the organization. These reports help businesses understand their performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. 3. Data visualization. Data visualization is an essential tool for businesses and organizations to effectively communicate their data insights. Through the use of charts, graphs, and other visual representations, data visualization allows for a clearer understanding of complex information. It can also help to identify patterns, trends, and relationships in the data that may not be apparent through raw numbers alone. Additionally, data visualization can be used to engage and inform stakeholders, making it a valuable asset for decision-making processes. With the increasing amount of data available, the importance of data visualization is only growing, making it a crucial skill for professionals in various industries to master. Business intelligence analysts often use data visualization tools to represent complex data sets in a visual format, making it easier for stakeholders to understand and interpret the information. 4. Querying databases. Querying databases is an essential skill for anyone working with data. Databases store vast amounts of structured information, and querying them allows you to extract specific data that you need for your analysis. In order to query databases effectively, it's important to have a solid understanding of SQL, structured query language, which is the standard language used to interact with databases. SQL allows you to perform a wide range of operations, such as selecting specific columns of data, filtering data based on certain criteria, and joining multiple tables together. Additionally, it's important to have a good understanding of the structure of the database you're working with, including the relationships between tables and the types of data stored in each column. With these skills, you'll be able to extract the insights you need from your data and make informed decisions based on your findings. Proficiency in querying databases is a common skill for BI analysts. They may use SQL, structured query language, or other query languages to retrieve and manipulate data. 5. Business understanding. The business understanding stage is a critical step in any project. It involves gaining a clear understanding of the business problem or opportunity that you are trying to solve or capitalize on. This stage requires asking the right questions, gathering relevant data, and conducting thorough research. During this stage, it is important to identify the stakeholders and understand their needs and expectations. This will help you define the scope of the project and set realistic goals. It is also essential to consider the risks and limitations associated with the project, as well as the potential impact on the organization and its customers. Once you have a clear understanding of the business problem, you can start exploring potential solutions and developing a strategy for addressing it. This may involve conducting feasibility studies, analyzing data, and consulting with experts in the field. Overall, the business understanding stage is critical for ensuring that a project is aligned with the needs and goals of the organization, and that it is designed to deliver real value and impact. Understanding the business domain is crucial for BI analysts. They need to comprehend the goals and objectives of the organization to effectively analyze and interpret data in a way that is relevant to business strategy. 6. Forecasting and predictive analysis. Forecasting and predictive analysis are two important tools that businesses can use to plan for the future. By analyzing past trends and data, companies can make informed decisions about what to expect in the future and how to prepare for it. Overall, businesses that invest in forecasting and predictive analysis are better equipped to navigate the challenges of an ever-changing market and stay ahead of the competition. Some business intelligence analysts may be involved in forecasting future trends or using predictive analytics to help the organization anticipate market changes or customer behaviors. 7. Communication skills. Business intelligence analysts need to effectively communicate their findings to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. This involves translating complex data into actionable insights and recommendations. 8. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, and competencies throughout one's life. It is an essential aspect of personal and professional growth, enabling individuals to adapt to changing circumstances, stay relevant in their fields, and achieve their goals. The field of business intelligence is dynamic, with new tools and technologies emerging regularly. BI analysts often need to stay updated on the latest trends and continuously expand their skill set. In summary, a business intelligence analyst is a professional who uses data analysis and visualization tools to transform raw data into actionable insights, helping organizations make informed decisions and optimize their business processes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.